Kung gusto mo magkaroon ng sariling jingle yung negosyo mo, itong video na to ang para sa'yo. So punta tayo kay ChatGPT, paggawa tayo ng lyrics. Yan, gusto kong gawa ng kanta yung Yogurt ni Bogart. Pero dun sa Suno, pwede ka naman mag-generate ng sarili mong lyrics. Lalagay mo lang yung details ng kanta, kung anong gusto mong genre, vibes, at gagawin nyo yun automatically. So tingnan natin. Okay?
Yogurt ni Bogart. Craving something sweet, something cool, something right. Take a swirl, take a bite. It's a creamy delight. Made with love, oh, it's off the charts. Yogurt ni Bogart, straight from the heart. Ooh, so smooth, so fresh, so fun. One taste and you'll want another one. Come on over, let the good times start. Yogurt ni Bogart, straight from the heart.
So ganun lang kadali gumawa ng jingle. Kayo pa rin bahala kung paano nyo gagawin yung lyrics. Anong gusto nyong tema ng kanta, anong gusto nyong vibes. Kung nakatulong sa inyo yung video na to, please share and follow for more.